Hey friend, this is Ian Khan. I want to welcome you to my webinar this week, Friday, October 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to talk about what does it really take to create a talk, what's the formula for a talk, what resonates with the audience at a platform like a TED. To be a thought leader, you've got to start thinking differently. And the thought leader formula is exactly that. Now, this week, I'll talk about the structure of talks, the way to put it together, the different formats of talks that you could potentially speak at any thought leader event. My goal is to get you from an expert to a thought leader. So join my webinar this week on Friday, October the 30th at 11 a.m. For more information, visit my personal website at iankhan.com or visit etlformula.com. See you this Friday.